How to register a Walletless investor account with Akemona. Click on Sign In to create an account. Enter your email and choose a password. The password must have one capital letter, one number, and one special character. Review the terms of use, privacy policy, and accept the terms of use. Click on Register. You'll receive an email. Check your email and click on the link in the email you received from Akemona customer service to verify your email address. Now you need to enter the same password which you created a moment back. Enter that password. Click on Submit. Now that you have verified your email, you can create an investor account at this time. Click on I want to invest to create an investor account and then review the Education Center. Close the Education Center and click on Continue. After pressing the Continue button, you have to verify your phone number. Enter your phone number. Click Continue and you will receive a text message on your cell phone. Enter that 4-digit code. Press Continue. Now you have to enter your personal information: first name, middle name, last name, and date of birth. Press Continue. Enter your residence address. Press Continue and confirm all the information which you have entered. Now your registration is complete and you need to select a wallet option. You have to decide whether you want to make an investment with a wallet or without a wallet. If you are comfortable using a digital wallet like MetaMask or Coinbase, we recommend that you use a wallet. In this video, we are going to create a Walletless account to make a walletless investment. For making walletless investments, select Walletless option. Press the Continue button and you will see the pros and cons of walletless investments. When you have confirmed that you need to make walletless investments, you will land on the dashboard. You are done creating your walletless account. Since this is a new account, your investment dashboard will be empty. Press the Browse Investment Opportunities button on the dashboard to go to the Investment Opportunities page and make an investment. Thanks for watching.